Experiencing connectivity problems with your PlayStation Portal using a T-Mobile hotspot? This is often due to NAT type restrictions, port configurations, or speed bottlenecks. T-Mobile hotspots commonly default to a strict NAT, which blocks incoming connections required for smooth online gaming. Also, insufficient speed and high latency can ruin your remote play experience. Let's dive into fixing these issues to get you gaming on the go. Firmware Update 3.1 for PS Portal reduced latency, so make sure your device is up to date. First, address the NAT type. Ideally, you want an open NAT. A VPN like ExpressVPN can help bypass T-Mobile's NAT restrictions. Next, ensure the necessary ports for PlayStation Network are open. TCP ports 80, 443, 1935, 3478-3480, and UDP ports 3478, 3479, 49152, 65535. Since T-Mobile hotspots often lack port forwarding, try enabling UPnP on the hotspot settings if available. For speed, aim for 5 to 15 megabits with 50 milliseconds latency. Use the PS Portal's built-in speed test or speedtest.net to diagnose bottlenecks. Switch to 5G bands via the T-Mobile app settings if possible. T-Mobile also has a priority data add-on. If problems persist, contact T-Mobile support for assistance with manual port forwarding or consider a static IP for your hotspot.